Hello.
Hi.
Hi, good evening.
Okay.
Okay, so can we start now? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. So let's start here. Please read. Yes. Can you read this one?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, starting
Can
here.
I form the get by red in an ambulance? Today it was some river, where some salt found and come some found they are very colorful and fair.
Okay, next.
There were some big sea too, two are not gray or land, but they get in the water. Where some back to the boat, don't net to the out the water. Đâu biết đâu rồi? This is the world. Đến đâu land. Đến đâu rồi? Correct is the beautiful. Is the beautiful wonder world. Đâu rồi? Có đúng gì?
Okay, very good. How about the new words?
New Kawadiwi. Cavalry conflict under water.
Okay, very good. So the new words, scuba diving, coral reef, clownfish, and underwater. Okay, good job. Next, please read this one. Yes, can you read start here?
What do you think you'll be where you go up? I think be a team player. Good year you right teach that well ค่ะ What do me want to think I be maybe you can mm, maybe you get angry ready I don't think so I have math I think I be there Jen, you are good right. You are very good at drawing. May, yeah, may I make a ten with for you that be right. Thanks.
Okay, perfect. So next, how about the two boxes here?
I think I be the rest by good kid. You are very right. You will do. I agree. I that with that.
Okay, very good. So how about this one? A tennis player.
The ten layer. As moving there a hair slit, a sugar, a right and just.
Okay, so let's try to read again. A tennis player, a movie director, a designer, hairstylist, a surgeon, and a flight attendant. Okay, so now what number that has the word a designer?
Hmm.
Yes, number.
Um.
Yes, what number? It's number 3. Okay, how about a flight attendant?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me the number?
3.
Okay, how about a flight attendant?
Please,
It's
number
number
5.
okay, it's number 6. Okay. How about a tennis player?
Number 1.
Correct. And a surgeon? Number
Two.
5. Okay. How about hairstylist?
Bandits.
Number
4.
4. And a movie director?
Number 2.
2. Okay, it's number 2. All right. Next, please read. Yes, can
What
you read?
will be? Really, I learn. No, I don't think so. Will she be a doctor? No, I don't think so. She wants the learn. She wants the doctor. What do she be? I think she be an teacher.
Okay, very good. Next, another words. Please read. Yes, start number 1.
Do la la. Share a table. Make a bed. Turn the pool. Mop a foot. What's the cost?
Okay, so we have number 1, do the laundry. Number 2, set the table. Number 3, make the bed. Number 4, dust the furniture. Number 5, mop the floor and wash the car. Okay, so next, please read.
It's sun today. Weekend and K. Answer to the call.
Okay, how about this one? Go, Jenny.
Jenny mop the food. Yet she will. No, she don't.
Okay,
Will
will
not.
Jenny? That's correct. Will Jenny mop the floor? Yes, she will, or no, she won't. The answer is yes, she will. Okay, so that is in the picture
Yes,
for the
will.
number 1. Okay, so next one. Okay, please read a short
Will he
story.
hit a homework? What brand? Will he hit the homework? He Bob worm. He their red lion meat. No, they don't. Who will solve a rule? Maybe will a little boy win? They for baby uh, for baby will.
Okay, good job. Next one. Please read.
Xem
Do
khác
the
không?
homework.
Xem khác. Okay.
All right, number 1 is
Do homework. Wash the dish. Clean my desk. Clean a dog. Go fishing. Go swimming. Go bowling. Go to sleep.
okay, that's correct. So do homework, wash the dishes, clean my desk, set alarm, go fishing, go swimming, go bowling, and go to sleep. Okay, next one, please read.
Jenny and us love all taking our way to the class.
All right, so Kate, Jenny, and Andy and Spot are talking about what they will do after the class. Alright, so next. Okay, Elephant Camp, please read.
Elephant camp. Today is the elephant camp in Thailand. They are doing a teacher their song. They are very good. Their song Peter I can. And Mammoth the elephant that can appeal his name sound Basal. Caesar is a throat in the past. She take a picture of the flower second. That is a beautiful time I can. New word.
Next one, the last.
I will the elephant look too. The baby elephant very too cheer. They lay all day maybe there be shock lay of build a storm the new world all sleep. For new good cheer black.
Alright, so let's try to read again some words. So this word is Elephant Camp.
Elephant can.
Trainers.
Train.
Trainers.
Trainer.
Soccer.
Soccer.
Playing.
Laying.
Painting.
Painting.
Picture.
Picture.
Okay, this one, wrap.
Warhead.
Okay, that's wrap.
Rough.
Paintbrush.
Blinks rough.
Okay, very good. How about the new words?
Woman. Music. Kutia Palamis.
Okay, another wrapped, nursery cute, and painter. So here are the different questions for 1 and 2. Where did he go? Is it A or B?
To be.
Okay, number 2. What did the baby elephants do all day?
A.
Okay, very good. So how about the letter C? What does wrapped her trunk around mean? A, B, or C?
C.
Okay, very good. So now, can you tell me what is this?
Miss.
And number 2?
Cat.
Number 3?
Black. White.
Okay, number 4?
Dolphin.
Okay, that's a dolphin. Okay, very good. Next, this one.
Homework.
Homework. Okay, second.
Salad.
3,
Sober.
4.
Jellyfish.
Okay, homework, sunglasses, snowboard, and jellyfish. How about this one? Please read.
Yes.
But,
So sorry, my phone is sleep. Why? Beautiful in hot rain, no cool. So what do you feel from? And why? Sock why? I I like ski.
okay, how about this one?
I like skiing to walk it. That's so like fun. Let's go walking in Swami.
Okay, how about this one? Did you know?
Did you call son Elon? No, he is a younger and son in the soul have it good, dancer and friend. I like walking. That sounds like fun.
Okay, good job. Next, let's have another words. The words here are,
Why do you like why? I like Queen Bee. I like iCast.
okay, how about at the top? That's one. Number
I
one is,
see cat king. Plant flower. Right kind. Go to the beach. Walk kiss. Come pick apple.
okay, we have ice skating, skiing, planting flowers, flying kites, going to the beach, watering, or water skiing, camping, and picking apples. Okay, so next, what's your favorite season? Please read.
What your favorite car? What your favorite slum? I love wind. I don't like wind at all. Why do you hate wind? Dear, I had the cold. I like cream over. Why you frosty? I love some. I don't like some alright. Why do you some? Me, I have cold. I don't like so at all.
Okay, good job. Next, another words. Please read. Start number one.
We back at ground level. Nhưng mà tiếp đã xem luôn tiếp phải đọc học. We reading had a slow ride. Had a big flower. We blim put as sangka.
Okay, so this one went backpacking, raked leaves, went sledding, had a snowball fight, had a picnic, picked flowers, went swimming, and built a sand castle. So that is the words and the pictures. So now please read another page.
All cat, call, and Jenny also wing for what there is lucky.
Okay, perfect. Next, this one. Did you do? Yes, can you read?
What do you do? What did you do? We do you go? You did to see last night. We tell me, what did you do? Where did you go? I had fun last night. Oh, what did you do? Where did you go? I had a warm food time. At stay home and did I homework. I have a warm food time.
Okay, that's good. So next, another words. We have 1 to 8 words. Now, can you read 1 up to 8? Go trekking.
Yes.
Okay. Can you
Go
start number
there.
1?
Go to the water park. Go around, go to a bus game. Who didn't go soon? Go Bowling. Go home. Horseback ride.
Okay. Go trekking, go to a water park, go rafting, go to a baseball game, go scuba diving, go surfing, go snowboarding, and go horseback riding. Okay, now can you read number 2?
Đi lui giá.
Can you read again number 2?
Yes. Go to the water park.
Number 4?
Go run. Go to basketball game.
Very good. Number 5?
Go cooking.
Number
Go
1?
swimming. Go walk. Bowling. Go horseback ride. Go
Okay.
picking.
All right. Very good. Next, another page. Andy Scott.
Ăn sót Jenny. Ăn khai. Or learn the egg. So what will they do?
Okay, good job. Next, let's now move on for the letter C. Okay, so let's start number 1.
Last one, next one.
Number 2.
Last window, next window.
Number 3.
Napkin, next four.
Number 4.
No.
Number 4. Last fall and next
Next
fall.
four.
Okay. Next, this one. Butterflies. Please read.
Beautiful night. I'm more beautiful as all here in town. They all live in the snow. It's a song everywhere. They beat their wings and fly so to make go. Big castle, they don't like the cold. In the winter to give. Go in cartoon net. Where are in the tree? Where my four son beautiful and dear. Aria, the Aria, colorful and rowful.
Okay, next.
More beautiful. They are the sky with orange and by stop white the fly. It's a big day will fly from get to the Canada New York.
Okay, so let's have another question. Where do monarch butterflies usually live?
Mom will lovely ring so one dear.
Okay, the question is, where do monarch butterflies usually live? Is it A or B?
In the B.
Okay, in the south. The second, where will the butterflies go in the spring? A or B?
A.
Okay, it's north. The letter C, what does spread mean? A, B, or C?
B.
Okay. Next, let's have now the letter E. What do you call this one?
Yes. Lot.
The second?
Feeling.
Okay, this one.
Please.
Spaghetti. Okay, number 4.
Peas.
And number 5.
Egg.
Okay, good job. Next, please read
Cow. Cow food.
color, colorful. Okay, this one.
Red.
Graceful. This one.
Warmer.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, very good. Next, let's have another short story from Mount
Next for
Everest.
me. We are not the mob beef. Red bill on a mob creamer, but I can see a lot. We say with a whole family in the Mora. Last night, baby one, yeah, fairly. They are cool the before you. I can explode. Son is a checklist. Is to go in the way Tom Howard. You of would tiger would the red fast car will be at the top of the wall.
Okay, how about this one? Let's have Scott and Skate.
Cause some be good. What are you doing? I'm bake cookie. And there do. I'm not. Oh no, what happened? I'm don't know. They don't look good. They're more good. I try one.
All right, good job. How about this? This little hair.
How is it correct?
Okay, perfect. Next, this one. Look at.
Look at the beautiful. It look beautiful. To the museum. It's so warm. Mark the flower. It smell good. Told the rabbit. It felt so. Cut the candy. It touched please.
Okay. All right, so that's all for tonight. So good job. And let's continue this one for our next meeting, okay? So thank you so much for joining the class and see you again. Bye-bye.
Yes. Bye
Okay.
bye.